Hey, hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our village chitral. It starts from the lowery top and ends with the Barawal border saw. This starts from the Ashrat, where the weather and the valley become fully nature 100%. You see the trees, the nature, the mountain, the destiny, and the clouds giving the nature beauty. This is the paradise. This is the beauty. This is the highest peak mountains. These are the trees which give a whole year greeny. Hope you like such a kinds of nature beauties.